I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy way to replace your vinyl siding. This one had a rock chip in it. Very simple. Alright, things you'll need is a siding remover. It's got a little hook on the end. You'll need a hammer. And you'll need some cutters to cut your board, your panel. And then you'll need a tape measure. And you'll need a pencil and a straight edge to mark your line. So my siding piece is 2 feet long. So I'm gonna take this siding and I'll measure it once I get it off to 2 feet and cut it. Alright, as you can see, the vinyl piece is looks like 2 pieces. So you want to take these 2, get under here. You can see with that tool I showed. Just get under there. Once you get it up, you'll see the nail holes, the nails. Right there, there's one. There's another. Right there. You'll want to take those out. There's one out. Just want to measure. You want to take your cutters. Just follow the line. So then you want to lock the board back in. From the bottom, now you want to put your nails back in. Once you get the other nail in, just pop it back in place. There you go. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and then maybe subscribe. Alright, peace out.